Welcome to SAEs with Tech, the channel where technology becomes simple. Here, we don't just show you gadgets, we show you how they solve real problems. Whether it's saving you time, money, or effort, every video is designed to make your tech journey easier. So if you want practical solutions, smart tools, and tech that just works, you're in the right place. Ever spent hours waiting for a 3D print, only for it to fail because of moisture in your filament? The stringing, the popping sounds, the wasted time? It's frustrating, right? Today, I'll show you how to stop throwing money away on ruined filament and get consistent, pro-level prints every time, with a solution I wish I had years ago. Here's the truth. Most filaments love to suck up water from the air. Nylon, PC, carbon fiber blends, they're the worst. Once that happens, prints warp, layer adhesion fails, and your filament gets weaker. You can try oven baking it, but that risks damaging it, or even your oven. What if there was a safer, smarter way to dry and anneal filament? That's where the SUNLU official filament dryer E2 comes in. It's not just a dryer, it's a dual chamber, high precision drying system designed specifically for engineering filaments like PC, PACF, and FRABS. And the best part? It can heat up to 110 degrees Celsius with a 500 watt PTC heater, hot enough to fully dry even the toughest materials. The SUNLU E2 filament dryer gives your filament new life by restoring flexibility and keeping it print ready. With precise heating up to 110 degrees Celsius, your prints come out cleaner, stronger, and more reliable. Its dual chamber design lets you dry 2 spools at once, saving you time and keeping your workflow smooth. And with built-in annealing, your finished parts gain extra durability, perfect for engineering grade projects. In short, it helps you print with confidence, consistency, and strength every single time. So if you're tired of failed prints and wasted filament, the SUNLU E2 could be the game changer you need. I'll leave a link below where you can check it out for yourself. Try it once and you'll never want to print wet filament again. This is SAEs with Tech, making your 3D printing experience, well, a whole lot easier.